Hey, this is Jesse with Revved Up SEO, making this quick video for you so I can highlight some tips on stuff that you can start doing and implementing today that'll start getting you ranking up higher in the search engines. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I just wanted to point out that your website actually looks really well compared to a few of the others that I've seen. You got a good layout, you highlight on key stuff that you guys are doing. The only thing I really see that would help on the website itself is content. So with Google, content is essentially king. The more content you have, the better off you'll be. And when it comes to content, it's about how authoritative and unique that content is versus your competitors. So what I mean by that is just all the keywords and key phrases and stuff like that that you want to be found for. You want to have that a certain amount of times here on the home page, and then obviously these back pages about your services and stuff like that. As far as your competitors go, there's not very much content on their website as well. I mean, right here we have Stewart's Plumbing. Um, these are one of the guys in the top spots on the front page, and as you can tell, they really don't have a ton of content on theirs. We can go into TLC Plumbing. This is another business that is ranking on the first page. They have a little bit more content, but not very much. So it wouldn't take a whole lot more on your website to actually get it to beat theirs as far as content goes. But like I said, overall, you actually have a really good website. It's just that content that's kind of hurting you. And secondly, another thing that Google takes into consideration when ranking a website is something called backlinks. So right here, we have your website's strength right here, and then we have your website's trust. So your strength is part of your content and stuff like that. Where you get your trust from is your backlinks. And a backlink, all it is just a website that's essentially pointing back to your website. So, like for example, if you have a HVAC company somewhere in Texas and they're linking back to you, Google's going to like that because it's a relevant business. What Google doesn't want to see is spammy links or take for instance like an ice cream shop pointing back to you. Google knows that an ice cream shop isn't relevant to the HVAC or plumbing business, so they're not going to really take that into consideration a whole lot compared to another HVAC or plumbing business. So with that being said, there are good links and bad links, and we like to classify them as do follow and no follow. So right here in the backlinks, you can see we got the do follow and no follow. The reason why your trust is so low is because you got so many of these no follow links that it's trumping your good follow links. So all that really is just you have your business name on different websites, but they're not giving you any power, and that could be a number of factors. So I went ahead and just kind of looked into it a little bit. So you have a bunch of these no follow websites. So right here, all your backlinks on this spot right here are the ones that are no follow, and these are the ones that are essentially hurting you. So what I would do is I would try to go in there and see which ones we need to get you off of, and then see how many more we need to put you on that are do follow and things like that. If you want to take a look, we have Stewart's Plumbing over here. They have 57 referring domains and 1,100 backlinks. Compared to you, you have 60 referring domains and only 177 backlinks. Even though you're beating them in the referring domains, they are beating you down here with the do follow and no follow links. So they got more than double no follow links on their do follow side, which in turn is giving them a little bit of strength. And essentially, this much strength is what's getting them on the front page. And with that being said, there's another thing that Google takes into consideration when ranking, and it's called citations. And all a citation is just something where, like a directory, where you have your business name, number, and address, and then how many times that's listed versus your competitors is what's going to help you rank. You're actually doing well in there. But like I said, these backlinks over here, these backlinks, and all these no follow backlinks is what's hurting you. You just have a higher ratio of no follow, maybe spammy, things like that, which is hurting your trust and in turn hurting your rankings. Like I said, you have a good website, you have pretty well citations. I would take my focus right here into your backlinks and working on getting your trust flow up higher. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here. I hope you found this video educational. If you like, get back to me. My name is Jesse Snaberger. It's JESSE at revedupsco.com. And with that being said, I hope you have a good day. Thank you.